Radhe Radhe everyone, welcome back to my channel Aspirants Horizon. So, welcome back guys. I know I'm uploading video after so many days, but I have earlier also told you that I had my MCOM exams in Delhi. So, I went to Delhi for exams and now they are over and I think it's time to let's get back to our RBI preparations. So, also, guys, I know in all these days the warlike situation was there, and all those who are belonging to a border state, I hope you all guys are doing well and are safe at your home places. I also belong to a border place, and that's why I can understand what all the people around borders are feeling. So, yes, guys, stay safe and try to just stay inside your homes. I hope now the conditions are well. But yes, let's hope for the best. And now let's get back to our RBA preparations. So, yes, I will share my daily targets from tomorrow. Uh, because today only I get back from Delhi and I will take a rest today, and from tomorrow I will start with my preparation. And as you all know, like according to me, I guess only 2 to 3 months are there, for preparation, and we can expect our examination in August or September. I'm not sure, guys. I'm just like predicting. Rest we have to like focus on our preparations. The overall strategy that I will be following is 2 to 3 hours for current affairs, because this is the time to focus on current affairs. Earlier, I did not focus, I didn't study any current affairs. So, I will start studying current affairs from the month of May, because I am thinking that exam will be in August or September. So I will only focus 3 to 4 months of current affairs. So May, June, July, and August. If the like exam is in August or September, so we will be done with our 3 months. So this is my strategy. I'm thinking of covering these months only. So I'll start from May month. So rest is on you guys, like from which month you want to prepare. I will only focus on 3 to 4 months. So I will start from May. And for phase 2, I have already covered the syllabus, but I'm thinking of revising it. So I will give 3 hours for my phase 2 preparation. In that, I will the subjects that are ESI and FM will be included, and 3 to 4 hours for our phase 1, that is called English and reasoning. These are very important. So um, let me tell you the timings that I will following. So current affairs are like, in this we have to retain like a lot of stuff. So I'm thinking of doing like in the morning. Max I can start studying around 8 a.m. So I'm thinking of studying current affairs from 8 to 11 a.m. So this is the time period that I will be covering current affairs. It's not like that I will be studying like continuous for 3 hours. It's on yourself, like it's on you. If you can study for 1 hour, so just study for 55 minutes, take 5 minutes break, then again start your preparation. So you like in this 3 hours, you can take the break of 15 or 20 minutes. That is totally fine, guys. We all have different capacity of studying, and somebody can sit for like long hours and somebody can only sit from 30 to 40 minutes. It's totally fine. It does not mean that you cannot study and you don't, are not capable of clearing this exam. Just study the way your body suits you. Don't force yourself. If you're feeling tired, just like walk for 5-10 minutes and again sit back. This is the best strategy that you can follow. And for phase 2, I will like from tomorrow I start with management, because you know management is very important. Direct questions will be asked. So I'll start with management. The timings will be 12 to like 4 or 5. In this I'm including my lunch break also and other breaks also. So this is not means that I'm studying straight from 12 to 5, but yes, lunch break is also there. If I want to take a nap for 15 or 20 minutes, that is also included here. So from 12 p.m. to 4 to 5 p.m. I will cover my management or the phase 2 subjects. And the at night, not at the night but in the evening, like after 6 p.m., to like 10 p.m. I will like prepare my phase 1. So from tomorrow I'll start with the quant, because as you all know my quant is very weak, so I'll continue with quant only. And this like 30 days break has like cost me a lot of concepts I have forgotten because I was not in touch with the subjects. So now I have to go again on the concepts and all. So 3 to 4 hours for my phase 1. So this will be my overall strategy. I will see if this will work or not. You guys can also frame your own strategies and prepare accordingly. Now this is the time we should study at least 9 to 10 hours, because if not today then we will regret tomorrow. So it's better to just give your 100%, let's, and rest leave on to your like luck and everything, your fate. So yes guys, that's it for today. I'll come tomorrow with the with my daily targets. So that's it for today guys. Thank you so much.